Hi friends, in this video we will learn how to create a container registry on Azure, and after this video we will learn how to create a image on our local and push on this registry, and in a third video we will learn about how you can deploy that image on your VM on Azure. So let's create first create this Azure Container Registry. Go to portal. Here you need to search for Container Registry. Here you need to create, then you need to give a name to your registry. Simple Docker test and unsecure. Then go for view and create. Let's go to resources, and from here let's go to settings, access keys, and enable your this admin user activated. Okay, thanks for your time.